Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tash. Hey girl, hey. I'm sorry you guys, I'm feeling really super goofy today. So for today's video, the main attraction in this video today is my first ever time testing out a Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette. I picked up the Nubian3 Coral, which is absolutely beautiful. But first things first, I am retesting out the Loreal True Match foundation, and mine is in the shade Buff Beige N4, and the undertone is neutral, which is a perfect match for me. Now, my face is already primed and all of that good stuff, and I just kind of wanted to retest this out because it's a cult classic favorite, and everyone says it's dewy, but when I first tried it out, I did not feel like it was dewy on me at all. So here we go. Here it is on the back of my hand. I'm just going to go in with a foundation brush first, and then I'm going to use a sponge to fill in any sparse areas where it might be, you know, not blended the way that I prefer. I'm going in with a Morphe Y6. So far, she's looking really good. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my foundation and concealer, and when I come back, we're gonna start out with some other products on this face, because right now I'm looking like Casper the Friendly Ghost. Alright, you guys, so my eye look is done. The base is pretty much done. I'm going to throw on some highlighter here with you guys. And I'm just going to go into that same highlighter that I put on my brow bone. Just going to do that quickly. Pretty. Alright, let's turn my light down a little bit because it's making me look like bling, bling, bling. Alright, you guys, really quickly, I am going to throw on my mascara. I don't have any mascara to share with you. And then I'm going to throw on a lip, and I will be right back. We're going to swatch these shadows for you guys really quickly. And I'm going to tell you my first impression of Juvia's Place. Alright, you guys, so my makeup is done. My eyes are starting to water, so just try to ignore that if you can. We're going to go in and swatch the Juvia's Place Nubian3 Coral palette, which is the palette that I used on my face today. You do get a little plastic sheet in here, and you get 12 shades in this palette. I'm trying to turn it sideways so you guys can actually see. It has two beautiful, really, really gorgeous, like bluish shades here. You got kind of some mauves and a peach shade, like a peach shimmery shade, a nice taupey color brown, a brown bronzy kind of shimmery shade, and then like this coppery shade. It's just really pretty to me, and it didn't look like anything that I have in my collection, the way that it is set up and everything. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch this for you. Oh, I don't know what this black stuff is all over. I dug in one of my drawers, and I got into my drawer that has like my eyebrow stuff, and I'm thinking that I may have something open in there or like leaking. I'm not sure, but it's all over me. All right, so I don't see the shade names on the back or on this little card, which is kind of, I guess, kind of annoying to be honest, but Juvia's Place is super affordable. This is my first palette from them. And when I tell you guys there is minimal fallout with this palette, I was like, I don't have to clean up my table afterwards. Like, you guys know that I don't mind fallout, but holy shitsies, not to have to clean it up after you're done, that is so nice. And they're so creamy, all of the shadows. It's consistent with the mattes and the shimmers in my opinion. It's just so nice, you guys. So nice. Alright, so that is the first row. Now my hand was kind of wet when I swatched this one, so to me that's not really fair. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it again. But yeah, a minimal fallout, you guys, and they blend amazing. So amazing. There we go, that's kind of better. Turn down my light again. You guys, I'm gonna have to play with my lighting, because like when I'm in here and I'm looking at my viewfinder, it doesn't, I mean, it looks kind of shitty, excuse my language, but it does. But when I go to watch the final cut from what Nick edits, it doesn't look too bad. Like, it looks like you guys can see, but I feel like I need to be able to see that you can see. So this is kind of that taupey shade that I was telling you guys about, so it's more or less blending into my skin, so you're not gonna be able to see that one. Next row, this is the third row over in the palette from the top down. You guys have to see that. So beautiful. This one is like, oh my god. Like, it looks darker in the pan than what it is. It kind of looks almost exactly like this shade in the pan, but this is so much lighter when you swatch it. Gorgeous. This is the one I was curious about. This really pretty brown. I love me some good brown shadows. This is super shimmery, really smooth, buttery. Oh my god. I do not know what took me so long to try Juvia's Place. I really don't, because they are not really that expensive in my opinion. This is that peach shade that's in my inner corner. I love this shade. So yeah, I don't know why it took me so long to try them. And I actually ordered it straight from their website. I prefer to order from company websites because usually they have better sales and stuff in my opinion. And then they'll send you like coupons. You know sooner when they come out with new stuff. If you don't follow trend mood. Oop, didn't swatch that very well. There we go. I think this is really pretty too. It's like kind of like this light terracotta color, and you guys know I'm obsessed with terracotta colors. I'm always talking about them. Last and final shade is a matte shade. Very, very pretty. So these are all of the shades in the Nubian3 Coral palette by Juvias Place. So let's give you a close-up here. So, as I said while I was swatching them for you, because I couldn't wait to tell you guys what I thought. These are amazing. They are beautiful. As I said before, there is minimal fallout. Like, this is just for me swatching it, and I mean, I get pretty in there when I'm swatching shades. So, but when you dip your brush into these, it's like, there's no fallout. Like, okay, let me see here. Come on, focus. Now, any other shadows, I would have had fallout flying everywhere. So, I mean, there is a little bit. It's eyeshadow, so, but yeah, you guys. And then the blendability on these, oh my God. They blend so nicely. They are so super creamy. I actually did pick up another palette from them, so I will be reviewing another one soon. And I hope that this one is as good as, I hope that one is as good as this one, because this one was amazing. You get a 24-month shelf life on it. Again, you do get 12 shades in this one. And it says you get a total net weight of 18 grams. So 0.63 ounces of shadow. No, wait, that's too much. Y'all don't listen to me. Anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm going to zoom you in a little bit so that you can get a closer peek of the look. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm kind of off today. But don't mind my under eyes. Like I said, my eyes are watering. I have not sprayed my face with setting spray yet, so you're getting the real deal. Ooh, before I forget, also, I'm glad that I picked this up and kind of tried it out after so many years, because I feel like my skin is in a much different place than it was years ago. And even when I was oily back in the day, this looked disgusting on my skin. I remember I tried it out like twice, and I ended up giving it to my mom, because to me, she has a different kind of dry skin than I do. So most things that don't look good on me will look good on her. So yeah, I'm really glad that I picked this up and tested it out again, because holy shitsies, like holy shit, I really enjoyed this. I feel like my skin looks really nice and dewy, and it just looks healthy to me. It has a really nice coverage. I did like one layer all over my face, and then I did, you know, another layer right here where I have acne scarring in that. And generally, I feel like you can see more of my acne scarring in here. And today you can't. I just think it looks really good. So you guys let me know what you think in the comments below. Let me zoom you in. Let you have a little look-see, and then I will do my outro for y'all. So that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a big old thumbs up, because it really helps me out. I really appreciate you guys giving the thumbs up. You have no idea. You have no idea how much it helps me. You guys are absolutely amazing. If you are new here, I hope that you will hit that subscribe button before you leave today, as well as that little bell, so that you are notified each time I upload, which is 3 times a week on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. And randomly, I have been throwing videos out during the week. As always, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I tell you guys all the time how much I appreciate you, and I truly do. You guys have no idea what your love and support means to me. Sound off in the comments down below. Have you tried out any Juvias Place palettes? Are you going to now? Are you interested? Did you like this palette? How do you guys like the eye look? Also, if you will let me know, I asked in one of my last videos if you guys would like to see a rainbow series. I am super interested in doing that for you. You know, where you go through and do like, one video would be the color red, one video would be the color yellow, purple, pink, green, blue. all of the colors of the rainbow. I would love to do that series for you guys, but I want to make sure you want to watch it first. So, all right, you guys, I will see you in my next video. Have an amazing, amazing day wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.